When you think of a great kitchen like this, what comes to mind? Cooking, baking, eating. You can see where my head's at. But let's get our heads out of our bellies and think about something that's just as important. That's right, lighting, under-cabinet lighting. I'm talking about TunableTask from GM Lighting. And like state-of-the-art kitchen appliances, state-of-the-art lighting has adopted a new technology called Tunable White. Tunable White enables multiple color temp illumination from a single fixture. When it comes to under-cabinet lighting, TunableTask from GM Lighting is the go-to fixture that enables you to achieve color temps of 2700K, 3000K, and 4000K from a single fixture, or from a series of fixtures linked together. Ambiance is so important in a kitchen, and color temperature can dictate that feeling that only lighting and the smell of something special baking in the oven can bring. Well, let's talk about TunableTask. It's an Energy Star rated 120 volt, 90 plus CRI, damp location, ETL certified, low profile, and easy to install under cabinet LED fixture that comes in 8-inch, 16-inch, 24-inch, or 32-inch lengths, either in white or bronze. TunableTask is modular, which means that you can hook up multiple fixtures for long runs using our fixture-to-fixture connectors. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install TunableTask. Easy. To make it easy, we're going to install the fixture upside down. First, open the wiring compartment by prying it open using the two tabs on either side of the fixture. Pull out the wires with Wagyu connectors. Feed the wires from 120 volt power into the back of the fixture through the knockouts. Connect power wires to the fixture wires using the Wagyu connectors. Captive screws in the wiring compartment enable easy positioning. Screw the fixture into place, tuck the wires back into the wiring compartment, and replace the wiring compartment cover. That's it. Now, I told you that'd be easy. To see more under-cabinet lighting products, visit our website at www.gmlighting.net. Thanks for watching.